Hey there, this is my serious game review. The game is called Wild Kratts, and it's a little adventure game for kids in years 4 to 7. It's based in the Amazon rainforest, and it's a game where you are trying to free captive animals which have been caged by poachers. So there's 4 or 5 little pieces of the Amazon that you go to and basically jump around and jump from trees to the ground to water in different places and try and interact and unlock the cages that the animals are in. And when you come across each animal, facts about the animal are voiced over. Stuff like their diet, their habitat, where they sleep, things like this. So it means that you can keep enjoying playing the game in that interactive way and still get the information at the same time. So it's quite interactive in that way. There are little Zag bots which are sent out by the poachers, which try and stop you from getting to the cages. So you kind of have to navigate that. So there's a bit of attack and defend and strategic kind of stuff there, which is good for hand-eye coordination. But yeah, basically the whole aim of this is to learn specifics about about the individual animals, why it's important to preserve their environment, and yeah, basically, when you come across each animal and you free it from the cage, you inherit some of the characteristics of that animal once you complete the level. So next time you jump onto the next level, you might be able to climb really high or be able to scratch stuff like that to attack and defend. Um, so yeah, I think this game is pretty engaging because of the fact you get to keep playing the game and the facts and information is just voiced over as you're playing, so it's not stop start dry information stuff like that. Um, and yeah, I think it's a quite a basic game, but I think kids are enjoy playing these interactive kind of adventure games like this. It's kind of like Sonic the Hedgehog type of thing, but with biology stuff. So yeah, I think it is a good serious game.